I have one of the best jobs in the world. 30,000 couples in more than 50 countries are being taught now, and we just landed into the top 5 best-selling massage oils on Amazon. My favourite part about the job is teaching couples how to massage. Live during the workshops and receptions like this. So we've just wrapped up another workshop here in Australia, in Melbourne, Australia. That is so addictive. How can you not fall in love with that? I'm getting a lot of emails from Aussies saying, when are the workshops starting up again? Now I've got good news and some bad news for you. The good news is we're starting up soon. Can't wait. I'm coming home September, so classes are going to start up then. There is only a few available. Probably 3 or maybe 4 classes before it all ends in Australia. So the best thing to do is sign up to the wait list below. It's free to sign up. It's like a pre-registration. I'll announce dates of when the class is going to happen. It's going to be in Melbourne, Australia. So Aussies, I recommend only you guys signing up. Anyone else around the world, unless you're going to swim to Australia or fly over, there's no need to sign up just yet. So the bad news is, I'm not sure if we're running any classes in 2019. So the idea is that I'm going to go to America to teach their practitioners how to set up their own melt workshops. It's kind of the phase of melt that I really have been excited to work on and haven't had a chance. I've been so busy working on the oil bottles and on the videos. For now, all we've got left is these last few months of 2018. Best thing to do, sign up below, get on that wait list. At the end of each workshop, I usually bail up 1, maybe 2 couples and ask them some hard-hitting questions like, did you have any massage mistakes before coming to a workshop?
I think because we always try it on the bed, yeah.
Because we've always done it flat, which does hurt your lower back.
Flat as in like on the bed?
Yes, yes.
We've tried massages at home, but we've always done it on the bed.
Yeah,
exactly as you were,
yeah.
And you're pointing out, it's like, oh, we've been doing it wrong all this.
Like at home, it was just kind of like a lot more effort than what it was in here today.
Yeah.
It was too light, I'm sure.
And it was just too hard for me.
Too hard.
Yeah.
I'm going to save the power of my thumbs.
Like all thumbs kind of thing.
Yeah.
And you know what, because this is quite a common thing, is that most couples start off with thumbs because that's what feels good.
Doing it just with the thumbs, which after
You
about
get
5 minutes,
tired.
I've had enough.
Use it strategically. I was all thumbs. Yeah.
And
yeah.
do more than just shoulders.
Yeah, there's a whole body there.
And what was your favourite technique? Like mine, right now, I'm all about the mushy mushy yum yums. Oh, that feels so good.
Train tracks.
Train tracks. I like the train tracks.
I really liked the head massage. It was great.
For me, it's the catwalk.
Hairdresser.
The hairdresser.
Loved the basic.
That was really good.
Seems to feel the money shot on it.
The money shot. I love the money shot too.
I love the basic and also the catwalk.
Having my meat tenderized with the mushy mushy.
I just like the mushy mushy fun bit.
Or anything else. Probably butt massage. That was great.
The mushy mushy yum yums.
Train tracks.
Train track?
Train tracks.
Train tracks.
Train tracks.
Train tracks?
That was the best.
That was really
Yeah,
good.
yeah, they were the best.
But I think it was just the rhythm.
I liked all of it. No, I did like that too. Yeah.
Just getting paid for this.
I get really tight through my back,
Yep.
and just those rhythmic, smooth motions, so good.
Any
That's where I probably heard the most amount of that noise.
The most amount of
It felt really like therapeutic.
Yeah.
Because every time I do it, he'd be like,
It made me crumble.
My big tip is when your partner's giving you those ums and ums, remember that when they're like, oh baby, baby, don't stop. These guys are very vocal about it. And I love that.
That was amazing.
I'm feeling pretty good right now.
You just had a really nice connection with your partner.
Yeah.
Just the intimacy and the connection.
It made us really close.
it was very intimate and got to really get down and give Shana a hug, and I snuck in a kiss on the cheek.
And was the experience fun, or were you scared walking into a class with so many other couples?
Good vibe. Yeah.
Good vibe?
It's good.
I was terrified, let's be honest.
Yeah.
I was like, I'll take my clothes off in front of people. God.
And then you were comfortable after?
Yeah, definitely. After we sat down and talked and stuff, it was fine.
Well, you made us all feel at ease and nobody felt like they were the centre of attention.
Yeah,
It was
bit
all
of
good.
humour, that's
Yep.
always good.
Try, I try.
Yeah.
So within 5 minutes, you had us eating on the palm of your hand, literally. So it was awesome.
How are you feeling?
Really, really relaxed.
Yeah?
Yeah, really
Yeah.
good. That was a really good session, actually.
It was amazing and it was heaps of fun and it was something that we'll keep on giving.
They were totally paid for this. What did you think of the class?
Brilliant. Mixture of education and comedy.
Really? It was fun.
Yeah, it was great. Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Guys, you've been awesome.
Thank you.
Thank
You too.
you.
Like a fantastic idea to do as a couple and something intimate together, which was nice, and it was fantastic.
Thank you both. Yeah, it was awesome. It was really good. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
again.
It was amazing.
Love it. All right.
Really enjoyed it.
Always, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate
It was really
it.
good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Thanks for all the techniques.
It was a pleasure.
Absolutely wonderful.
It was amazing. It was a really, really good day. You guys were fantastic with all your jokes and your teaching and everything.
Alright guys.
Thank you guys. We're around for any questions if anyone has particular ones.
Thanks, mate. That was really fun. Thank you. Fun. I'm glad you had fun.
It was amazing. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is great, but then when you do when you show, warming up first,
Thank you.
so much better.
So much better. Oh, this is what. Thanks, guys. See you later.
Thank you.
I forgot to say, actually, so we didn't cover a lot of deep tissue stuff or fun, but that's all the